build it.
Yeah, in $1965. We got several more to go.
Here comes that. Look at that.
Man, they don't waste any time.
That thing comes up. What is that thing? That's a big water tank?
Yeah, it used to have deionized water for the biology department, and
It's gonna fall down here where we're at.
oh wow. Wow.
The size of it.
Yeah, right.
I think he's spreading some bricks down there in front of it so when it lands on it, it won't be like a flat pancake.
Oh, yeah.
He's doing it to kind of diffuse the fall.
Here it comes.
There it goes.
Wow, that thing's really wobbling. Wow. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.